What's up everybody? Welcome back to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. In today's video we're diving into the highly anticipated MOANO PD300X USB XLR Dynamic Microphone. And whether you're a content creator, a podcaster, or just someone looking to upgrade their audio setup, this mic promises studio quality sound with versatility to match. And we'll start with an unboxing to see what's included. We'll go through the design and features and put it to the test with a live sound demo. And real quick, before we get started, if you get any value out of this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Helps me bring you more resources, and it keeps you up to date with all of the AI, web, and tech trends happening throughout the year. But either way, thank you so much for all your support. Alright, with that being said, let's unbox this mic and see what it can do. So I want to thank MOANO for sending me this mic. In the spirit of complete transparency, I'm a huge fan of MOANO. I've been using their products for years and they make some of the most affordable, high quality audio products around, but we're still gonna unbox this mic and see what it's all about. Also, I'll be using this mic to record all the audio in this video so you can get a good feel for how it sounds. Okay, out of the box, we have the user manual and a guide for MOANO's Arena audio software. The manual is straightforward and covers all the basics for setup, while the Arena guide walks you through how to access the software to fine-tune your audio. And if you're serious about getting the best sound, you'll definitely want to explore what this software offers. But please keep in mind that the Arena audio software is only compatible with PCs at the moment. Next, it looks like we have the accessories. And first up is the 2-in-1 USB-C-A to USB-C cable. What's really cool about this cable is its versatility. The USB-A connector can be removed to reveal a USB-C connector underneath, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, whether you're connecting to a traditional USB-A port or a more modern USB-C port. This flexibility ensures that you could use the microphone with everything from older laptops and PCs to newer devices like tablets or smartphones that rely on USB-C. They've also included a 5/8 to 3/8 thread adapter so you can easily mount the mic onto most boom arms or stands without needing to buy extra parts. And finally, we've got the main event, the MOANO PD300X microphone. And pulling it out of the box, the first thing I notice is how solid and premium it feels. It's got a sturdy, all-metal build with a sleek matte black finish. It also has this great built-in shock mount which prevents low-frequency rumbling sounds from reaching the mic, and the mic capsule is covered by a detachable foam windscreen. And then moving on to the back of the mic, you'll see that the PD300X is a dual-mode USB XLR microphone. And this was a huge selling point to me because this means that you could plug it directly into your PC or Mac by using the USB-C port, or you could plug it into an audio interface or mixer by using the XLR input. Either way, the dual USB XLR inputs expand your connectivity and open up more possibilities when it comes to your audio workflow. You also have a 3.5mm headphone jack that allows you to plug your headphones in directly to the mic and monitor your recording in real time. Next, if we take a look at the top of the mic, you'll see a couple of buttons. The smaller one is the mute button, and the larger one is the 3-in-1 digital knob, giving you control over mic gain and headphone volume. Finally, the PD300X also has an adjustable stand adapter that allows you to attach to a boom arm or mic stand and gives you a pro audio desk setup, as you'll see in a few moments. All in all, you get a lot of bang for your buck with this mic for only $99, and I'll link to where you can buy it in the video description below, but for that price, you're getting a high quality, professional grade mic. And on that note, let's set this mic up on my desk and connect it to my computer. Okay, first I'll be using a boom arm, but this particular boom arm won't screw into the mic without the thread adapter. And you have a few ways to go about this, but what I did was I screwed the adapter onto the boom arm first, and then I attached the mic like so. And then once secured, you can adjust the angle of the mic with that stand adapter. Next, let's connect the mic to my laptop. And we'll use the cable that came with the mic, but because my laptop is a MacBook Pro, I'll need to detach the USB-A side of the cable to reveal the USB-C connector. This will allow me to still use the cable to connect since I don't have a USB-A port on my laptop. And it's pretty straightforward. Plug the USB-C side of the cable into the USB-C port on the back of the mic, then plug the other USB-C side of the cable onto the laptop. and on Macs. Once connected, the device should recognize that you're trying to connect, and you'll see this pop up, and simply click the allow button to allow the connection and use the mic as an input. Next, let's connect via an XLR cable. Now, you will have to provide your own XLR cable and audio interface, but once the interface is connected to your computer, simply plug the female side of the cable into the XLR port on the back of the mic, and then plug the male side into the audio interface. And once connected, just like the USB-C cable, the device should recognize that you're trying to connect, so simply click allow to allow the connection and use the mic as an input. Moving on, next let's take a look at the mute and digital knob on the top of the mic. So when the mic is connected and live, you'll see this little green mic LED light. But if you want to mute the mic, simply press this button once, and this mutes all audio, and you can tell it's muted by the little mic LED light turning red. Then to unmute, just press the mute button again, and the mic is now live. Next to that is the 3-in-1 digital knob. And this is really cool because it controls mic gain, headphone volume, and monitor mix. Simply press and hold that knob for 1 second, and you could cycle through the different modes. Mode 1 is microphone gain, Mode 2 is headphone volume, Mode 3 is monitor ratio adjustment, and you can tell which mode that you're in by the changes in the indicator light and colors. And then there also is a Mode 4, which is custom functions, and you could set that and turn that on by pressing and holding the mute button for 2 seconds. And when you do, you'll see the purple custom functions light turn on when it's active. Either way, I highly recommend checking out the button functions section of the user manual. MOANO lists everything you need to know about the button functions and their modes. Next, the MOANO PD300X features a frequency response range of 400 Hz to 16 kHz, ensuring that it captures a wide spectrum of sound while focusing on clarity and precision. This range is ideal for vocal recordings, offering rich lows and crisp highs, while minimizing excessive bass or treble that can distort audio quality. And its cardioid polar pattern is specifically designed to pick up sound from the front of the microphone while reducing ambient noise from the sides and the rear. This makes it excellent for podcasting, voiceovers, and streaming, as it isolates your voice from unwanted background noise and room reflections. And this combination of its tailored frequency response and cardioid polar pattern delivers professional grade sound with minimal effort, even in less than ideal acoustic environments. Finally, the MOANO Arena audio software is a powerful companion tool designed to enhance the functionality of MOANO microphones, including the PD300X. And I'll link to this in the video description below, but this offers a range of advanced audio features such as real-time monitoring, a 10-step customizable EQ, and built-in effects like noise gate, compressor, limiter, and low-pass, high-pass filters. These features allow users to fine-tune their audio for a professional and polished sound. However, it's important to note that the MOANO Arena software is currently only available for PCs, and since I'm on a Mac during this tutorial, I won't be able to demonstrate how to use it, but you can easily download it and follow MOANO's helpful user guide to explore all of its features. It's a great addition for PC users who want complete control over their audio setup. And on that note, the MOANO PD300X is a fantastic microphone that delivers impressive performance and versatility, making it a great choice for content creators, streamers, and podcasters. And with its dual USB and XLR connectivity, it caters to both beginners looking for an easy plug-and-play setup and professionals seeking integration into more advanced audio systems. Overall, the PD300X offers excellent sound quality, flexibility, and value, making it a standout option in its price range. And if you're looking to upgrade your audio game, this mic is definitely worth considering. So visit the link below to get your own PD300X and leave a comment below letting me know what you think about the mic. Have you tried it out yet, or are you planning to add it to your setup? I'd love to hear your thoughts. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and tutorials. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking to start a blog, check out these 2 videos on how to build, grow, and monetize a WordPress blog. They'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.